Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different types of compounds are given with stereochemically specified hydrogen. You have to find which of the compound is acidic here. All three are differ in the phenyl substitution. You have to find which will donate hydrogen easily. Here two different concepts are working around. Because all of the compounds are aromatic, all have 4n plus 2 electrons, so it is aromatic. So that is not the problem here. You have to know which intermediate will be stabilized more. Here negative charge is formed. The first one is aromatic, that's okay. The second one is aromatic with more substitution on phenyl side. So phenyl will stabilize it by delocalization. The last one also having 3 phenyl groups. If you look at it, the last one has more resonance structure as well as it's very flat. It's a rigid planar structure. So the resonance will be efficient. So it is best for delocalization. So it will easily lose the H plus. It will be more acidic. Then the second compound come. Least one will be the first one. Here the concept you have to learn here is rigid compounds are good for delocalization. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.